Guys, welcome back to Fasterproms YouTube channel. We have made some more developments here with our S-10. Laz has been working on finishing up the firewall. So as we were having a little bit of a quandary, when Kevin was helping us from KSR, we had, we really had him like totally booked with all the stuff that we had going on. All right, so Laz has taken on the mantle of fabricator, and he's done a really good job with what we've got going on here with the firewall. On top of that, actually, we got George, we got Josh today for building the, well, we got the mount for the trans. So
the mount, and we got some parts for the hitch.
Oh yeah. Like today, we really wanted to try and get the mount in there for the parachute. So that's something that we really wanted to try and knock out as well.
Did he say anything about actually putting a hitch on there?
No.
Yeah. Tell him.
Okay. Okay.
I let it out of the bag.
All right. So guys, if we want to be able to do any sort of events where
Jeremy! Jeremy! You're the man I was looking for. I thought this was the right place.
Oh!
Lord have mercy. I need to clean up in there.
Hey,
What's going on, buddy?
How you doing? How you doing, man?
Oh, man.
What
long travels.
What are you doing here?
Well, I come and talk to you, man. I was coming. Remember we had a deal to get the motor back from that truck I sold you. And, well, now's a good time because my truck broke down and I need to get me something whipped together real quick. Been doing all right?
Yeah. I mean, this is the truck right here, and it doesn't look anything at all like what we got from you. But we got small.
What'd you do? Oh my God! You tore it apart. Where's the cow hood at?
Actually, it's
Behind the dumpster, I think.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
God Almighty! Oh, you should have called me. I could have helped you out a little bit and gave you some pointers. This thing is tore.
I told you not to leave me by the street.
Hey, Corn! I told you to stay out by the mailbox. What are you doing wandering around in here, man? All right, stay close. Don't touch nothing.
Is that your boy?
Yeah, it's Acorn. Say hey.
Hey, how's it going there, buddy?
Told you to stay in your crate, Acorn. The damn escapes every single time. He's a damn boy escape from Alcatraz, I tell you. But yeah, you sure put a beating on this old thing, huh? You got them damn race car tires on there, huh?
Yeah, I mean we're trying to race it. I mean we're gonna make it all-wheel drive and V8. I mean we got twin turbos and smell like
don't got the good S-10 smell.
Yeah, I mean remember? I mean when I bought it from you, you were telling me about the kittens that were birthed in there and stuff, and I mean it did have a funk.
I was hoping you forgot about that. But.
Yeah, no, we got it out. I mean it's most of the odor is out. I mean every once in a while it permeates back up.
Yeah,
So,
it happens.
Yeah.
So if I could just get that motor from you, maybe you could deliver it for me or something. Maybe.
No can do, man. Unfortunately, we had a little mishap.
What do you mean?
That motor, we blew it up.
You blew it up?
Yeah.
It's a built motor.
It was hard to blow up.
You're supposed to give it back to me.
I don't remember that at all.
Oh,
I mean, you sold me the truck. The truck came with the motor. Didn't even run.
Remember? Oh, man. I need a truck, man. I ain't got no truck. My damn truck blew up on me. Popped the gasket, head gasket or something. The guy said, I was like, oh, damn, pal.
I don't know what to tell you.
What'd you do to the motor? How'd you break it? It was a fully built motor.
Well,
had good pistons, rods.
Yeah.
Fresh machine job.
We had no idea about that. I mean, when we got it from you, it didn't even fire up or anything like that. So I mean, I
think we had to add a fuel system to make it run.
Yeah, it definitely had some fuel issues and all that. Actually, we had a methanol kit on.
In there.
Yeah, I mean, we went through some carburetor spray and some brake clean, and then some Lysol, and then some popcorn and all that. Some
nitrous.
Stuff. Some nitrous. Yeah, it actually ate a couple bottles of nitrous and all that. It was.
Well, that wasn't in the.
We saved the can of Lysol. So.
This is my can of Lysol. Son of a gun.
Yeah, actually, that was in the truck there.
Yeah. Well, guess it's better than going back empty-handed.
Well, I mean, for one, yeah.
Acorn. Good. That's my boy.
Get that
We're
out
good.
of there. What are you doing?
Gee, sorry, man. Golly, pissing your shit. All right, well, truck looks good, I guess. Yeah,
Thanks.
that's the wine, man. Can't believe you took the fenders and everything off of it.
Where did you just pull that out of?
Prison wall. So what all did you do to this thing, man?
It's we got like a V8 engine out of a 16 Silverado, and
Yeah, I see that.
we got some twin turbos, and we got a lot of good people helping us with some fabrication, and we're doing manual trans, all-wheel drive.
Yep. All-wheel drive, 6-speed. All right, I see.
Yeah, we got a built TR6060 transmission. So that's a 6-speed transmission. It's good for. We should be able to make over 1,000 pound-feet of torque. We got the LOJ adapter there to a Trailblazer SS transfer case and all that. What in the hell are you doing there, little boy?
It's Acorn. He's just like his daddy. Come on, leave. Jimmy's giving us a hard time.
Get that out of there!
Stubborn. Well, me and Acorn could come over here and dang hook this thing up. You've been working on this whole time?
I mean, we've been working
You
on.
probably could have did this in 2 days in a 12-pack. Shoot.
Yeah. Well, no, we got a lot of time in it, man. It's been a pretty tough short. Get out of here,
Acorn. Oh, Acorn. Quit acting like that. Told you don't do that, stranger. Acorn, go back down by that box and stay there till I get out. In the crate. Sorry about
Hey,
that.
don't hit anything on the way out there, all right? I don't know what you got going on here, buddy.
Yeah, well, like I said, man, I just, I thought the deal was I was going to get the motor back once you got it running a little bit.
No.
I don't think anyone ever said
No.
that.
Like-
There
No.
was nothing
No.
about that or
Posted
anything like
lap,
that. Yeah.
something
No,
like that.
Nope.
no.
Well, my truck broke. Somebody crashed into it. I got my regular truck. Then I let somebody borrow my beater truck. Get there. Mug gets in it, backs right into my other truck. Smashes the hell out of it.
That sucks, man.
Yeah, it sucks real bad. So that's why I'm here trying to make something happen with you, my man. I mean, you got all kind of rides in here, man. What in the world is this? Chicken jerky? Ugh. Get that out of here, man.
That was my
Let's
snack.
look around a little bit, man.
All right.
Here.
I can't have you in here for
Wait
too
a
long.
minute.
I got insurance
Wait a
and
minute,
stuff.
man.
Whoa.
Dude,
Crap.
What? What's up?
where's this out of?
That actually is out of the
This is
S-10.
literally out of the S-10?
Yeah.
You broke these I-beam connecting rods? These are seal-powered pistons, man.
Yeah.
I traded my grandmama's wedding ring for these pistons.
Whoa.
How did you blow it up, man?
We had no idea, man. We had no idea. I'm sorry.
He never said he wanted it back, though.
Yeah. Dude,
Yeah.
Jeremy, this is so weird.
it is weird. Hey, dude, you never told me anything about this engine
Well-
or anything like that, man. I'm really sorry.
Show me what happened. I mean, how did this
Yeah,
happen?
I mean, actually, hey, did you get the? You pull up it on your phone, maybe? I mean,
I can try.
all right.
Oh, man.
Can you, calm him down a little bit?
Man.
I don't know if this is a good idea to show him this.
Are you sure you want to see this?
I think so.
I mean, it was a champ. It was a strong.
Yeah.
Hey, which video do you want to show him? Because there was a couple.
Couple.
It was a tough motor, is what she's saying.
Yeah, it was really. You did a good job.
Just built to last.
You did a
did.
great job.
It did. We actually even, I think, drained the oil out of it, and it was a tough motor. It took a couple bottles of nitrous. I mean, we put methanol through it and all that. I mean, it was a beast, man.
Right,
but we had no
so
idea.
clean.
Yeah.
Thank goodness I got my beverage.
You gotta come on.
No, I'm good, man.
Trying to quit. It's not actually bush. It's actually light. That's how I
Oh.
keep my figure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I was thinking maybe you were born with it.
Takes years and years and years of drinking to look like this, my man.
Yeah.
Years and years.
All right, are you sure you want to see this, man?
I mean, yeah. Is that? Oh, what do you got going on there?
Actually, at that moment, George is putting popcorn in through the.
Popcorn.
Man, that was nuts! Hell yeah, brother! Pop the intake. Oh, you blew the welds on your intake.
Ready?
Yep.
Don't let that thing get clogged.
Sweet honey barbecue. Oh!
Actually sounded like it was popping.
Did you guys put any vegetable oil in there?
Oh man, I think I got squirted
That
in the
would've made it
face
live
of
longer.
tranny fluid.
Jeez. Did any Pops kernels come out?
There's a couple of them. Hold on. Here, raise it up a little bit here.
Oh, popcorn!
It smells like popcorn.
Cletus, come eat this, man. You're gonna love it.
I'll give it a bite.
Hey, we got it. Do it.
Right out of George's grimy hand.
It's right there.
Oh, spicy.
Oh, here's a good one. This one's already got butter on it.
Oh. Tastes a little burnt. What was the additional item you're spraying in there? Oh, starter fluid. Oh, so they got fantastic.
Well, there you have it. It will work. It's just not the most efficient machine, but it can be done. And thank you, Kevin. That's pretty awesome. And this one's for my homies. All right, Lazarus. Somebody asked if we could run around.
Jeremy! Oh my god! No, that's enough.
Sorry, lad.
Don't start it last. No.
Only probably like 5 seconds left, so we kick a rod through the side of this thing. So
That's gonna make it. Oh! Oh! No! What in the world?
yeah, we actually made popcorn through that.
Is that a bottle of nitrous on the? What is that?
Yeah, it smoked out the whole shop. I mean,
What in the
but
world?
it kept going though, man.
Bunch of clowns.
Yeah. You gotta.
Well, it dang sure ain't no good now.
No.
I believe every word.
No, sorry to be the bearer of bad news, man. I mean, you sold me the thing. It wasn't running, you know, so I mean, there wasn't really anything left. I mean, the rod broke. It went through the block.
This truck was my baby.
I'm sorry.
This truck took my virginity, man. I lost my virginity in this truck, man.
That's really.
Sentimental, man.
I'm sorry.
I lost my virginity building this motor.
That's
To
weird.
the motor,
Ooh.
man.
Oh.
This is my baby.
Uh,
It means a lot.
I had my hands in that motor.
Me too.
Ew.
And everything else.
That is gross.
Oh.
All right. We need to get
We
back
got-
to
yeah.
work.
This is too much.
This is really
It's too much for me also.
all right.
I can't
Look,
hardly take it in.
look, call me in a couple days here. I will talk to somebody. I will try and we'll try and get you something. I'm sorry you're going through some hard times. We'll try and help you out. All right.
It's better.
I'll see what I can do. I'll give you a ride even. All right.
All right. I appreciate that.
Oh, okay. Oh man.
I really
Ugh.
needed this. I really
Ugh.
needed this, really. I
Ugh.
did.
Okay.
Because I'm in a tight spot.
Ugh.
Me too. Right now.
Oh, your beard's nice.
Thanks.
Yeah. I'm
Oh.
working on mine too.
Yeah.
Feel it.
No. That's good.
All right.
All right. Hey.
Ew. Jeremy, come on.
All right. Okay. All right. We'll see you, buddy.
All right. If you see Acorn, just send them down the street.
Can you just go find him yourself?
I'll try. Acorn! Acorn! Come on, boy! No luck today, buddy. Just need you.
What is with this guy?
Acorn! Come on, Jimmy. Really couldn't do nothing for us. Shafted us. We gotta get your crate. We're walking back. You left the bike over there? All right, come on. Slow down. You know, Papa before.
I'm gonna go see them out.
Yeah, cause, ugh,
Where
This
did
is-
he come from? He scared the crap out of me.
I don't know. I didn't even see him. Whoa, Jeremy.
Come on.
Hey, you sure that's safe, man?
Yeah. Yeah. That's all we got. All right, come on, Acorn. Back up, buddy.
All right.
Come on. Still back up.
That's safe.
It's safe. Get in there, buddy. I got you. Let's go through the door like last time, remember? That's the boy.
I might get a Dewey.
No. If anything, it'll be a triple. Will be. Oh. Alcohol piece. All right. Come on, buddy. Hold on to my pocket. Yep. Hold on. All right. Come on. Let's go. All right, Jimmy. Appreciate it, buddy. Take it easy. Oh, Acorn. Dang it, Acorn. You're supposed to hold on. All right. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Screw it. Jump on the pigs. All right, guys. We're out of here.
All right, just call me in a couple days or something. We'll figure something out.
All right. Take
All
it
right,
easy.
come on, Jeremy. This is, we gotta get out of here.
Whew. That's
Grabbing gears, passing queers, drinking beers, years and years.
Can't use that one.
really
That was the best motor I ever built.
wow.
Literally lost my virginity building that motor.
Sorry.
To the motor.
I'm sorry.
Ready? Ready? Norton just flat tired me.